have some more breaking updates coming in at this point in time. You just heard the reactions of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and now we have a reaction coming in from the Samajwadi Party as well. After Congress, Samajwadi Party is also sympathizing with Umar Khalid. We have a reaction coming in from Ameek Jamai of Samajwadi Party, who says he could have actually become the future of the nation. Listen in.
देखिए, सिर्फ उमर खालिद की बात नहीं है। जितने भी कैदी हैं, चाहे वो दलित समाज के हों, बैकवर्ड कम्युनिटी के हों, मुसलमान हों, उत्तर प्रदेश की जेलों में चाहे आदरणीय रमाकांत यादव जी हों, हमारे समाजवादी आंदोलन के शीर्ष नेता मोहम्मद आजम खान साहब हों, इन सारे मामलों में हम देख रहे हैं कि जो कोर्ट का रवैया है, निचली जो अदालतें हैं, वहां से जो है न्याय नहीं मिल रहा है। मामले सालों साल से जजमेंट रिजर्व्ड है। उसमें हम देख रहे हैं कि उमर खालिद जैसे छात्रों को तिहाड़ में रखकर जो देश के लिए कल कुछ कर सकते थे।
Let's now go across to my colleague Niyamika joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Niyamika, now we have more support pouring in for Umar Khalid after Congress Party. Samajwadi Party netas are also supporting, speaking in his favor. But the point really is that have people like Digvijay Singh forgotten about the facts in this particular case? As far as Umar Khalid is concerned, he's tagged a riot mastermind. UAPA charge is there against him. He has been denied bail not once but thrice. But for Congress Party, for Digvijay Singh, he is being harassed.
This is not the very first time when the Congress Party's Rajya Sabha MP, Mr. Digvijay Singh, has given such kind of statement. As earlier also we have seen that various times it was Digvijay Singh who has come out in support of Umar Khalid. As last year also in the month of September, a statement was being given by Mr. Digvijay Singh in which he has mentioned that if the accused belongs to the Muslim community, then it would be really difficult for him to get bail. So that is basically the ideology which he is trying to portray, as he believes that it is because of the mindset of the BJP and the RSS, as he has mentioned it various times, in which he said that the Muslim community is being targeted, the Muslim community is being harassed by the BJP and the RSS. And in fact, this time as well, this controversial statement which has been given by Mr. Digvijay Singh day before yesterday, as he was speaking during an iftar party of APCR, in which he has said that how innocent Umar Khalid is being harassed, and he has also made a kind of an appeal by saying that if we will fight together, we can win this battle, because there are certain forces within the country who are trying to spread hatred all across the communities. And for that reason, he has also said that Congress Party would never compromise in front of these forces who are trying to spread division or hatred amongst these communities. So clearly we can see that how the Congress Party is coming out in support of Umar Khalid, as not just Mr. Digvijay Singh, but also we have spoken to the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP, Mr. Tanuj Punia, who has also given a kind of a support to the statement which was being given by Digvijay Singh, as Tanuj Punia also said that it is a habit of BJP to go against the constitution. It is a habit of the BJP to do politics in the name of religion, but that would not be acceptable on the part of the Congress Party, as we will continue to fight for the rights of the people of this country as per the constitution. So clearly we can see that these statements have given an opportunity to the BJP to raise a question upon the ideology and the mindset of the Congress Party, because BJP are saying that this clearly shows that Congress Party has always supported the rioters or the terrorists, and that is the reason why no such kind of clarification has come on the part of the high command of Congress Party when leaders like Digvijay Singh come out in support of Umar Khalid.
Well, it's not being condemned also. There is a conspicuous silence there. Niyamika, request you to stay on with us. Let's also tell our viewers